everyone, and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Today we are doing another unboxing. I know I just uploaded another unboxing a few days ago. If you have not gone and seen that, I would be sure to go check that out after this video is done. That one was a mystery unboxing. But today this is just a normal unboxing. Should be the Southwest 737-800 in the old livery by NG without the split scimitars. And this update might be a little shaky because I just broke my tripod. It was a cheap one, so I'll just get in another one. But this is gonna make this unboxing very interesting. So yeah, without further delay, we'll just go ahead and open this. So I went ahead and opened up this box just because I didn't want you guys to see a mini earthquake going on while I was trying to open it. So yeah, the box looks nice. It's a little bit different from the one with the splits. I think it looks better. Personally, I wish NG would just pick a box design for each airline or specific livery and then keep to that one, because I sort of like the uniformity of Gemini Jet's boxes. They are dull, so what I would not mind seeing either company do is sort of just making a specific box design for every livery and then just using that same one for all of those liveries. So I think that would be cool, but we're gonna go ahead and try and open this up. I'm gonna try not to knock the camera over, it's just sitting by itself. But yeah, opening it up looks pretty good so far. And yeah, the model looks great. So here is the model. It does look a little bit dark, not gonna lie. I think the Canyon Blue is a little bit more faded on most of Southwest planes now. But yeah, it does look, everything is intact. Landing gear is great. All antennas are straight and pointing the right direction. Wi-Fi box looks good. But yeah, we'll go into this model into greater review. Okay, I do apologize for the way I opened that box. That was basically the only way I could do that. But yeah, it's a beautiful day here in Louisville, Kentucky. I wish I could have the blinds open, but unfortunately it would be extremely backlit. But here's the model, and it looks great. So again, it is a little bit on the dark side of things. It looks pretty good on camera, but in real life it is a few shades too dark. In real life they're more of a purple color, a faded, purple bluish color. But yeah, we'll start off here with the front of the aircraft. So right there we have the cockpit nose cone, which it's a little bit pointy. I don't know why, it just sort of looks a little bit pointed. You got the cockpit, wheels have been a lot better, especially the nose gear have been a lot better in recent NG 737s. I got the door, looks really good. All the windows are perfectly printed. Engines are good, overwing exits are good, winglets are especially good. There's no mistakes or anything like that I've noticed so far. Got the Wi-Fi box, looks really nice. Then you have the registration, which is November 865 Oscar Foxtrot with the American flag, and then the Southwest tail looks really nice. Horizontal stabilizers and all that good stuff. It is perfectly balanced. The winglets do look like they're sort of tilting out a little bit, so that's sort of disappointing. But yeah, it's a very nice model. If you don't mind the color difference, I would very much recommend picking this one up. It is going to look very nice in Las Vegas, which is actually my next video. Should be a Las Vegas International Airport update. It should probably premiere Sunday at 1 o'clock Eastern if you want to come. It would be a great time. But yeah, that does sort of conclude this Southwest 737-800 in the old livery. Here's the bottom, I forgot to show you guys, just a standard Southwest Canyon Blue Pelly. But yeah, that does conclude this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in Las Vegas at Sunday. God bless.